into my video, I'm going to be doing a spread using a Happy Planner Classic and stickers from the Create 365 sticker books. I don't know which sticker books I actually use, but if I go through, I will link them down below. And I'm also using some Stickability stickers that I got from Michaels. So if you're interested in seeing how I create this week's spread, stay tuned and thanks for watching. I kind of like to write, like if I have an appointment, I like to write the address, the time, um, assignments that are a priority, or, you know, just things that I have to do. That's what I use the boxes. Quote right on the Wednesday school section, because usually I have a few assignments due on Wednesday. So I just added some motivation there to keep me going. And I'm going to write my assignment in the quote box. As you can see, I changed the way that I set up everything. And I kind of moved what I had for Tuesday over to later in the week, because later in the week, that's kind of when I want to go over anything that I haven't accomplished Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and just add it for Thursday or through the weekend. Throughout the week, or at least this week. And as you see, I put top priority because those things are important, but they don't necessarily. So again, for Thursday, I put a quote, but I figured that I have things to do. So I removed the quote and I put down a box and included the quote in there. That way I have my positive affirmations as well as being able to write in what I need to do. And this box is from the productivity sticker book. I know that for sure. And it kind of matches with the cactus succulent theme stickers that I have going on. and it gives me enough space to be able to write in everything that So as I was flipping through my sticker books and some of the pages that I torn out, I found this really great quote that ties in with the theme, and it also has something about planting in there, so I thought that would be cute to add to my planner. It says, "Plant smiles, grow laughter, and harvest love." And I don't have much to do on Saturdays as far as like appointments or running errands or anything, so I thought it would be cute to put a quote over the red sticker. And then anything that I have for Friday and Saturday, I can just write it in any other space. I have a few assignments due on Sunday, and then I have like chapter questions and reading that I can do later in the week or the following week. So later I put different assignments that I can carry over, or if I need to send out emails, if I need to do anything as far as YouTube or Instagram, I can add those in the later section, or I put them under now to make them a priority. This is the final spread. I am extremely in love with how this turned out, and I'm possibly going to recreate it. And I gave you guys a visual of the bottom, and I do apologize for cutting that off. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and that you like this spread.